Getting late for the party and need an instant rejuvenation for your face? It's the Man Company's 6th birthday bash from 1st to 6th September. Get yourself the caffeine cleanup kit from the Man Company at a very special price to level up your grooming game. Caffeine face wash cleanses your skin from deep within and gives you a healthy glow. Caffeine face scrub helps in complete skin detoxification. Caffeine face moisturizer provides hydration to your skin. With the Man Company Caffeine Cleanup Kit, you also receive a complimentary grooming pouch. And the best part is that you get it all at an exclusive price of 666 only. Shop now and join the Man Company with their 6th birthday bash.